A squeaking washing machine can be a nuisance, and it's essential to identify the cause to fix the issue. If the machine is new, the squeaking sound may be due to the moving parts, such as springs, drum, and door seal, needing to wear in slightly. This is a normal phenomenon that may last for up to 5 laundry cycles and typically resolves on its own. However, if the noise is annoying, lubricating the moving parts can help eliminate it. On the other hand, if the washing machine is not new, the squeaking noise may indicate a problem with the motor. In this case, it's crucial to check for a faulty motor or a damaged motor coupler, which is attached to the motor shaft. If either of these parts is damaged, it may be necessary to replace them with the help of a professional. Worn-out belts can also cause squeaking, as they attach the motor to the drum and facilitate the spinning motion. Over time, these belts can wear out due to age or regular use, and replacing them can solve the problem. Additionally, worn-out shock absorbers can contribute to the squeaking noise, as they hold the drum in place and dampen vibrations. These shock absorbers can wear down over time and lose their lubricant, so replacing them can help resolve the issue. By identifying and addressing the root cause of the squeaking, it's possible to fix the problem and enjoy a quieter washing machine.